Big depressions at social media marketing. Social media marketing has actually become the best medium used by lots of businessmen and business owners when it comes to any marketing strategies to enhance organization and create more sales. A lot of individuals might presume that it is the life of the organization, putting in the truth that nearly all individuals are so connected to social media networks. However, for some organizations, having social network accounts does not alter the way their sales marketing is, nor does their company improve understanding online. How come? Social media is expected to be the most effective company tool that most companies use to acquire more sales and online existence, right? What must be the reasons why your social network marketing efforts are still not providing you the results you wanted for a long period of time? If you feel that your company is going through the same circumstance as pointed out above, it might be that the techniques you are utilizing are not the right ones to garner excellent outcomes. Maybe you are making the most typical social network marketing mistakes that are typically utilized by other businesses that think they are doing the best thing. Join us as we discover the social network marketing errors that are frequently used by hair organizations in their campaign online and how to prevent such errors too. Trying social media marketing without any objectives. If you engage in social network marketing, you must understand that various businesses use various purposes for making use of social networks depending on the field that their business is connected with. That is, if your company is all about clothing and is not that big yet, your purpose in participating in social media marketing is to make your brand name understood and get more traffic on your site. For larger companies, it is not. It might be for connection with customers and interaction about services and reaching wider areas for them. When you have an audience, acknowledge their existence. Once you have a swimming pool of audience who trust in your services and items, you need to develop trust and acknowledge them. This is ethical on your part, in addition to letting them understand they are not forgotten. Make your audience or clients feel that they are very important to you by participating in social media conversations and having your own existence in social communities. Business material and personal information must not be intermingled on a social media account when making profiles and pages on social media channels. Always bear in mind that you are attempting to attract a large number of people. Your individual blog site could likewise be used as a tool for attracting fans to your company because of your fascinating input there. Constantly correspond in delivering information. Posting appropriate content is one of the most effective tools to bring individuals to your blog or website. Individuals look for info on a lot of platforms. Understanding this, you should supply relevant posts that are extremely informative and upgraded. Your individual blog can likewise attend to some individuals' own queries and, as stated, might be used as a business tool. So be consistent in providing pertinent material on your page in addition to your individual blogs. You should not stop looking for ways to offer your fans helpful content and utilize this technique to draw more people to your service. When it comes to any marketing methods to improve organization and create more sales, social media marketing has become the finest medium used by lots of business owners and entrepreneurs. Trying social media marketing without any objectives. If you engage in social media marketing, you need to know that different organizations utilize various purposes of making use of social media depending on the field that their business is associated with. Make your audience or clients feel that they are essential to you by getting involved in social media discussions and having your own existence in social neighborhoods. Company material and individual data should not be intermingled on a social media account when making profiles and pages on social media channels. Constantly bear in mind that you are attempting to attract a large number of people. Thank you for looking at my video from Ian Jackson.